Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys the transformation of my desk. So if you've seen my recent video, you must have noticed that I did a collage wall on the front of my desk. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I did it. So these are the prints which I took from my own printer. So this is basically the before look. I seriously forgot to record the before one. I shot this for the shots, and first I'm going to stick the double-sided tape on the print. So I attached the few prints together with the help of a sellotape. So I have to use a little amount of double-sided tape to stick on the wall. So if in future I have to take this collage wall off, so I will have the less scars on my wall. So now I've started sticking the posters on the wall. So this is the big one. I wrote all the biology chapters on it so that whatever chapter I will complete, I'll just cut it off. But it was too up, like I didn't even use it. So now talking about the papers I use. So this is the JKXL bond paper. So this one is 90 GSM A4 and it costed me around 145 rupees for 100 sheets. So this paper is a little bit thicker than the regular A4 size paper. It's not too thick, and I actually wanted to use this one. This is the glossy ID papers. So this is actually the glossy one. I wanted to use this, but I was not sure what I'm gonna do with the wall. So I was just trying things, so I decided to print on these, but it came out really good. So you can also use this one 90 GSM paper, or this one is 180 GSM. The quality of the paper is also good. Like, I think in future I'm gonna use this one instead of this one because this is a little glossy and this would give you the photo effect. So if you want to purchase any of this paper, I'll link it down in the description, the link, so you can purchase from there. So guys, this is what it turned out to be, and it looks really good. So first I'm gonna clean this mess and set my table up so we can see its final look.
I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I wish I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love a shot.
So guys, this is the final look, and I'm so in love with this. So this is the night look with the lights turned off, and it looks so amazing. So that's it for today's video. Do tell me in the comments, do you like it or not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.